Hello, my name is Brennan Howell. I am a student at the University of Memphis, the Herf College of Engineering. I am currently doing a project for the class of EECE 4712 Embedded Systems. For my project, I have decided to design a module for parking assistance, which I like to call it the reverse parking monitor, or just parking monitor in general. The module is a device that helps guide the driver to decide whether or not he is close enough to a wall or an object. As you can see, that I have a module on a wall mounted by Velcro. And why I chose to do this project? Well, I've seen cases where there are some people who have trouble judging the distance between their vehicle and an object. I even have this issue sometimes. I get nervous of trying to get closer and closer to something, whether I'm parking or whatever I'm doing. So this is a good project I decided to do. It was more like a personal project also. And what I have in my module that's currently have inside of it is a Arduino Uno, a LCD character display, a I2C SPI backpack that is currently attached to the back of the character display to reduce wires, and there's some other there's a ultrasonic sensor to help me determine for doing the sensoring and determining the distance between the sensor and the vehicle that's approaching. And I can go ahead and begin to say that to help the driver to decide whether or not he is good to go to move forward or not, I used a RGB LED ring that gives a color indication whether or not he is close or not. So I used basic colors: green, yellow, and red. So green, of course, means you're good to go, you're good to move forward. Yellow, be cautious as you're approaching. Red means stop, you're at a bad distance and you're fine. Now, I had some issues with this project to begin with, is mainly because the ultrasonic sensor. The ultrasonic sensor sends basically pulses out from there at a close enough wide 45-degree angle. And when the signal comes back, sometimes that signal comes from objects that are currently not in what I want it to sense. Basically saying it's called the phantom effect or ghost effect. So to reduce that issue, I decided to first approach it with basically a cylinder, which it worked okay for more closer, when the vehicle comes closer, but not at a farther distance. It would not receive a proper feedback signal. So I went to a cone, which gives a fixed angle close to about 25 degrees. And so I'm about to demonstrate how this module works with an actual vehicle.